Hola Desi people, ¿cómo estás? Please subscribe to Desi in US. Please follow social distancing, stay home and stay safe. Hola amigos! So today I've come to my friend's house, Vijay's house, to do another experiment with food, and this time it is going to be biryani. Yes, I don't know how to cook biryani, and my friends doesn't know how to cook biryani. That's the intention, right? So keep experimenting with food. And today the title of the video itself says that anyone can cook biryani. So this is for you guys, for all the bachelors out there. So guys, for this biryani, I'm going to use these ingredients, and as you can see, this is skinless, boneless chicken, and you know me, I'm a lazy guy, so I always prefer this one. And my favorite onions, and some garlic salt and garlic powder, and the basic drill: turmeric, mustard seeds, and cumin seeds, chili powder, dhania powder, and I'm going to cook this with basmati rice as usual for the biryani. And you can see cinnamon sticks and elaiche and star anise, and all other ingredients, cloves, and many other biryani stuff, like even the bay leaves I'm going to include. And all the ingredients are ready now, so I'll start cooking. The basic need for this biryani is that we need to cook chicken as if we are cooking a curry separately. So I'm going to add all the basic plates, follow the drill, like add the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and the ingredients like turmeric, chili powder, and onions, of course. I'll fry those for a while, and then I'll take the chicken and fry that, and make sure that it is cooked well before I add it in the rice mix. So I know it's an experiment, so I hope taste will be good. It might not look like a proper biryani as such, but we can expect a tasty one. So guys, you're seeing that onions and everything is kind of mixed well, and it's fried. It was fried well as well. So I'm going to add chicken into it. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to mix this mix with chicken, these ingredients and this stuff. It's like marinating, but since I can't wait and I am a lazy person, I'll cook. That way it will get marinated stuff. So, and one more thing I forgot to tell was, today not only recipe is experiment, but also I don't know Vijay's kitchen well, so I need to search for every item and and add all these ingredients. So it can give you some confidence even if you are shifting to a new place and you don't know where your kitchen ingredients are not. So you can always dare to cook as long as it is logically correct.
So I will let it cook for a while. So just to let it go to the back.
Another busy guy. So, Dilip, I think you're from Patna, Bihar. So, tell me about your hometown. I know you spent most of your life in South India, Bangalore and Chennai. But I want to know what is famous in Bihar and what do you guys eat most, and do you guys ever had biryani at your hometown?
Yeah, so in our place, litti chokha is famous.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean,
Sounds
you
yummy.
get biryani there, but definitely yes, I love eating biryani.
So, आप बिरयानी साउथ इंडिया आने के बाद सीखा क्या? Or did you ever learn biryani how to cook it?
So I don't know how to cook biryani, but
Good.
South आने के बाद biryani, I liked it. So
Chicken got marinated well now, and it looks pretty good. And you can witness. And I'm going to add this into the nice bowl. So, as I said, it is very easy. All you need to do is you need to add all these ingredients and mix chicken with it. Let it boil for a while, and take your electric cooker and add rice in it, like however you keep your rice, like 1:2 ratio, like 1 cup of rice with 2 cups of water, and you let the rice soak for a while, and then add the well marinated and boiled chicken into it.
I don't know, I've never done this before, but I hope it would taste good. So chicken would boil for some more time, along with the rice, so that they might taste good. And I'm also going to add this biryani ingredients. The raw ones now again to taste good.
Anyone can make biryani, guys. Anyone. Maybe presentation might look bad, or taste might not be as it is Hyderabadi biryani. But if you feel like eating biryani and it's not the right time to purchase one outside, so this is the way you can do it. So I'm going to add these bay leaves and star ends and some more elaiche. These are kind of raw, not fried ones, so that the flavor gets mixed with the existing ones. Okay.
Let me stir it first. So that's it guys, it's very easy. And all you need to add is the biryani ingredients, and it would taste almost like biryani.
So now that we have mixed uncooked rice with the cooked chicken, let me put it back in the rice cooker and let it cook for a while. Like, and turn on the white rice. All we need is like 45 minutes and 40 minutes in rice cooker. Perfect. I can't wait, and my friends can't wait. It is already late for them. Just now, the cooking of the biryani is also done, and I just now got the results. So let me open for you. Woohoo! Can you see that? Doesn't it look like biryani? I think it has biryani vibes at least. So let me garnish it, and my friends are eagerly waiting for it. witnessed just now. Anyone can cook biryani. I never knew how to cook biryani, and also for this thing I didn't go through any video as such. So all I'm trying to convey is that keep experimenting with food and don't depend on hotels. Don't spoil your health. Try it at your home, and we never know, there is a master chef within you also. So keep experimenting, and signing off, Shri Nuthalapati. Hola amigos! Hola amigos! Hola amigos! So today I've come to my friends. Okay, are we good? Perfect. The lighting is good?
Yes.
Perfect. Hello guys, it is coming well now.